Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you the best settings for your low-end PC for streaming. So first step is to open up your OBS, and we want to go to File, then you want to go to the Settings. Now you have Settings opened, and then you want to go to Video here. So the best one to choose is 180 times 720, which is low quality, but it will do its job. If it's still lagging, then you can change it to 480p. So instead of 720, change it to 480, but don't go below that. And if you are streaming at 720 30 FPS, you need to use 3500 kilobytes. And to change that, you need to go to output, video bitrate, and then change the kilobytes per second. Then what you'd want to do is there are like multiple filter options in this tab for a fast better results, and you have to choose the bilinear shown as here. Now I can show you because I'm currently recording, but yeah, you chose the bilinear, and of course the higher the FPS, the higher chances of lagging. So just keep it around 30 FPS and not more than this, and this should be enough for a low-end PC or laptop. And now once you're done with the general video settings, it's time that you should come to the output settings. So basically now we go to the output one. And then you need to have not output mode simple, you need to have it in advanced so that you get some different options. And basically, as you can see, this is the resolution, the bitrate. In this case, they are using 3000. But your encoder should be like, depending on which graphic cards you're using, but it's best to choose X264. The resolution is 720p as we discussed. The bitrate, well, keep it to 3000 or a bit less. And that's it for this part. Now when it comes to audio settings, it is necessary to keep like your output settings for the audio too. And basically, again, we go to output, then we go to audio, but I don't have it because I'm not in the advanced mode. And then you would select the final one. From there, again, just follow everything that's here shown in the picture. Then you want to do the stream tab. You need to connect your thing. So you go to stream, Twitch, YouTube, whatever, connect account, and if you have stream key, use stream key. And that's it. And final things you have to do is create like your scenes. You have your microphone, your video camera, and the display you are capturing. And to do that, basically just click on the plus and select the thing, and that's it. You can hide it, show it. Yeah, you can play around with it. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.